Next section, child abuse. Overview. Child abuse is physical, sexual, psychological maltreatment or neglect of a child or children, especially by a parent or caregiver. Child abuse may include any act or failure to act by a parent or caregiver that results in actual or potential harm to a child and can occur in a child's home or in the organizations, schools or communities the child interacts with. The terms child abuse and child maltreatment are often used interchangeably, although some researchers make a distinction between them, treating child maltreatment as an umbrella term to cover neglect, exploitation, and trafficking. Can you define child abuse? Child abuse has serious physical and psychosocial consequences which adversely affect health. It refers to any act or failure to act that violates the rights of the child, that endangers his or her optimum health, survival, and development. Look at this picture. Types: neglect, physical abuse, child sexual abuse, psychological emotional abuse, causes of child abuse, complex phenomenon, parents, substance abuse, alcohol, cocaine, heroin, unemployment, effects, psychological effects, psychiatric problems, post-traumatic stress disorders, PTSD, physical effects, bone fractures, minor bruises and cuts, in permanent neurological damage, impaired brain development. Prevention through community-based grants, family counseling, treatment, cognitive behavioral therapy, post-traumatic stress disorders, clinical depression and anxiety, child-parent psychotherapy, group therapy, play therapy, art therapy, child abuse versus nursing. The nurses doing wonderful role to reduce child abuse and prevent it through counseling services and administration of therapies. Thank you. Have a nice day.